Hello everyone. Welcome to Sklearning C#.net interview series. In this video, we'll explore about WCF, Windows Communication Foundation, one of the choices available in .NET for creating RESTful services is WCF. WCF is used to create a distributed and interoperable applications. It provides a framework which is used for building service-oriented connected applications for the transmission of the data as an asynchronous from one service point to other service point, previously known as Indigo, and is a framework for building, configuring, and deploying network distributed services. WCF offers supports for limited RESTful service. WCF uses the web.config and attributes to configure a TUTPA configuration class. WCF does not provide any support for MVC features like controllers, routing, filter, auction results, etc. It is not open source software. It relies on IIS hosting, self-hosting, and works activation services. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.